Well, this is an unplanned video, and I discovered last week that it's actually dead, and I'm just going to turn the ignition key, and as you can see, that's with the ignition on, and it's absolutely dead. If I turn the ignition off, and it's back on again. So I think it might be, you know, a battery which needs to be renewed. However, what you can see, it's absolutely dead. I just do that, and it's absent. So I'm going to get my tester and see what I'm measuring at the battery, and then work from the rear of the car to the front. Well, that's not good, is it? I've got 10.2 volts, and I should have about 12.4, 12.6. I've got 10.2, and I've charged it, and I just don't think it's working. So I'm going to take it off and I'm going to charge it, but I think the battery's had it. Well, you may have noticed that when I disconnected the battery and tested it, that the cables were round the wrong way. So if you remember, it was in the holder like this, and we had the red cable onto the negative, and the opposite cable, the negative cable, onto the plus. It's given me no trouble. I knew about this many years ago when I purchased the car. I put it on Facebook groups and just said maybe that you just need to swap the cables over. It's just the colouring, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to, you know, upset things which are already working. So it was connected like that. I just need to remember that when I do connect it, I put the minus onto the positive cable and the negative cable onto the positive. So it looks like the battery's had it. So there you go. Well, I've bought a new battery from Facebook Marketplace, and this is suggested the modern size for the MGB, but when you try and put it in, it's just slightly too big. So people are saying just chop the size, just the extending parts here or around here, and it should have no problem. So this is what I'm going to do, but it was a good bargain and it's brand new. Well, it's in, and I've secured the two cables, and also some of the other cables connecting to those two cables were loose. So it's all been tightened and it's all secure. So now I need to start it up. You might notice that I've not replaced the clamp. However, if you have a look, the battery is slightly bigger than the old one and it's just not long enough. So I'm going to make a clamp and then clamp it down, but honestly it's secure now and it's jammed in to the plastic bin. So wish me luck, see if it'll start. Okay, here we go, see if it'll start. This is the first time. You can see the red ignition light. And it's working again. So good oil pressure, and it solved the problem. So it was, you know, the battery had it, however some of the cables were loose as well. So bye for now, and you know, like, share, subscribe, and let's wait for the next video.